This year is looking pretty good for the right to repair movement. Already, 16 states have introduced right to repair legislation, including Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Missouri, North Carolina, Nebraska, New Jersey, New York, Tennessee, Wyoming, New Hampshire, Virginia, Vermont, and most recently, Washington. Glad to have you on board, Washington. This legislation would make it easier for people to fix their broken stuff, giving them the option to fix things themselves or take it to a repair shop of their choice. The bills are simple. They would require manufacturers to provide replacement parts and repair information for all of the electronic equipment that they sell. We're fighting for your right to repair everything you own. Together with groups like Repair.org, we got cell phone unlocking passed, and we can get this passed too. But we need all the help we can get. So if you live in one of the states I mentioned, make your voice heard by contacting your state representative. And don't worry, we made that part easy too. Just head on over to Repair.org, look for your state, and click contact. It just takes a few seconds. Thanks so much for doing your part to help us with the right to repair movement.